This is Home Science for class 11th, and the book is titled like Human Ecology and Family Sciences, and the abbreviation is HEFS. And the chapter that is chosen is Food, Nutrition, Health and Fitness. This is the name of the chapter, and the objectives of this chapter are like this. That is, to be able to define food, nutrients, health, role of food and nutrition, then balanced diet, planning the diets, then recommended dietary allowances, then to know about the classification of food, then to know what are the factors influencing the food habits of adolescents. After that, causes, symptoms and nutritional intervention related to eating disorders. Now we take the terms like this to know the meaning of these terms, and that is food. What is food? Food is, children, anything that can be solid or liquid, which when swallowed, digested and assimilated provides it with essential substances, and those essential substances are nutrients, and keeps the body well. Food gives us, as you all know, energy. It enables growth and repairs worn out tissues, and it also protects us from various diseases and regulates body functions. So that is, anything that performs all these functions, that can be solid, that can be liquid, is termed as food. Food is anything that when it is digested, before that swallowed, digested, assimilated, it gives us energy and keeps us healthy and prevents various diseases. Now we take the next term, that is nutrition. Nutrition is related to nutrients, so that is, it is the science of food and nutrients and their actions on our health. It is important to know what food to eat in order to stay healthy. So we should know which food, which nutrient is required in what amount for keeping ourselves healthy. So that is, after studying the nutrients, their sources, their functions, the deficiency diseases, so all this is under nutrition. Now we come to the nutrients. Now what are nutrients? Nutrient is the word which we have used in defining food and nutrition. Now what is this? This is the main thing. So nutrients these are the components or parts or constituents of food, or in other simple words, food is made up of small components or parts called nutrients, and they are to be supplied in adequate, right amount, neither more nor less than the requirement of an individual, in order to stay healthy. And the nutrients are, you all know, they are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and besides them, water and roughage. Roughage, children, is related to rough things. Rough things like thread-like structures must be present in the food that we have in green leafy vegetables, okay, and in wheat flour, in corn flour, not corn refined, maize flour, makki ka atta, okay. So they are rough. So that roughage acts as a scrubber, okay. It cleanses the digestive system, and the food particles do not remain stuck in the intestines and in the stomach, and then we don't have any stomach related problems. About that I will tell you later on, okay. So these nutrients are classified into two parts, macro and micro, depending upon the amount of them required by an individual. So macronutrients are required in more amount, and micronutrients are required in very little amount. So macronutrients are like proteins, carbohydrates and fats, and micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. And water and roughage, they are termed as regulatory, okay, items. They regulate the body to function properly. Now we come to the balanced diet. Balance, equal, appropriate, right amount, neither more nor less. So balanced diet is the amount of food that is consumed by an individual every day according to the needs and requirements. So balanced diet is a diet that has all the nutrients in the food that are required by an individual according to his particular, okay, needs and requirements, and which is according to RDA. RDA is the abbreviation that means recommended dietary allowances, and this is RDA is recommended by ICMR. ICMR is Indian Council for Medical Research. Now we take the next thing, and that is health and fitness. Our health depends to a great extent on food, and healthy person is a person who is fit and sound. So we should know the meaning and difference between these two. Health is defined according to WHO. What is that? World Health Organization. And this definition was given in 1948, and still it is very relevant. So WHO defines health as a state of complete physical, emotional and social well-being, and not merely the absence of diseases. That is the meaning of health. So health does not mean if a person is not ill, he is healthy. No, the person should be physically as well as mentally and socially well-being. Okay. Now, next is fitness. Fitness is basically related to the ability of body to function efficiently and effectively, okay, in work and leisure activities. When we are working also, then also we are working efficiently and effectively, and when we are in leisure activities, then also we are performing them properly, okay. And this is to be healthy, to resist diseases and to meet emergency situation. Means the person should not feel tired, lethargic or unable to perform the task. If he is fit, active, whatever he is doing without getting tired, that means he is fit. Okay. So now thus we can say that health is a state of complete mental, social and physical well-being, whereas fitness is the ability to meet the demands of a physical task. This is about the main terms of this chapter called Food, Nutrition, Health and Fitness. Thank you.